Hello and Namaste. Today we will be doing around 10 simple asana movements to relax your body. This is a great practice for beginners and can also be done before sleep to calm the body. You can repeat these movements 3 to 5 times to enjoy a good 30-minute asana session. Please be gentle and keep your full attention on the mat and with your body for the next 5 to 10 minutes. To begin, make yourself comfortable in a seated position and close your eyes. You can sit cross-legged in Sukhasana or choose Vajrasana. Now bring your full attention to your body and breath. Let's take a few moments to settle down. Now take 3 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your entire attention with your body. Now gently open your eyes. Let's start with Marjari Asana. Come onto your knees and hands. Make sure your hips are above your knees and your shoulders are above your wrist. Spread your fingers wide. You're forming a square with your upper body. Keep your wrist slightly forward and your toes pointing away from your body. Once you are in position, inhale and look up. Exhale, curl your spine and lift your mid back towards the sky. Again, inhale, look up. Exhale, curl and lift. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl. Inhale, look up. Exhale, lift your middle back. That's 4. One last time. Inhale and look up. Exhale and lift your mid back. Now come back to center and from there move back into child pose, Balasana, and stay there for a few seconds. Take a couple of breaths in this position. Then return to Vajrasana. Interlace your fingers and place your palms behind your head. Make sure there is no pressure on your head. Use the strength of your elbows to gently move them backward. You will feel this in your upper back. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now relax your arms. From here, lie down completely on your belly. Place your hands next to your shoulders, toes pointing away, and rest your forehead on the mat. Engage your lower body. Gently squeeze your buttocks. With your next inhale, slowly lift your upper body and come onto your elbows. Make sure your elbows are directly below your shoulders, palms on the ground, and gaze forward, about 1 foot ahead on the mat. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With your next exhale, relax. Now use the strength of your arms to return to Balasana, child pose. Stay here for a few breaths. Then lift your upper body and come to a seated position. From seated position, straighten your legs and try to keep your spine upright, ideally at a 90-degree angle to the floor. If that's difficult, you can gently bend your knees. Keep your toes pointing inward toward your torso. Inhale and lift your arms to lengthen your spine. Exhale and gently bend forward, holding your ankles. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With your next inhale, gently come back up. Give your legs a little shake, then lie down completely on your back. Bend your knees and bring your feet close to your buttocks so your fingertips can touch your heels. Arms resting beside your body, palms facing down. Make sure your head is relaxed and your feet are hip width apart, parallel to each other. With your next inhale, gently lift your buttocks towards the ceiling without moving your knees. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With your next exhale, slowly come down. Bring your knees close to your chest and hug them with your arms. Stay here for a breath. Now place your feet back on the floor, knees bent, feet parallel. Now expand your arms out to the sides in a T shape. Keep your knees and feet close together. Inhale, and with your exhale, drop your knees to the right side. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, your gaze towards the sky. 3, 4, and 5. With your next inhale, bring your knees back to center. Exhale and drop them to the left side. And stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then with next inhale, bring them back to center. Hug your knees again and gently lift your head toward your knees. Stay here for 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Now relax your arms, legs, and head. We will move into Shavasana. Adjust your clothes, legs, and body. Feet should be mat width apart, toes relaxed, arms slightly away from your body to create space around your underarms. Find a comfortable position for your head, palms facing up, fingers relaxed, and then gently close your eyes. Stay still for the next 2 to 3 minutes. You can stay here as long as you like, keeping your attention with your belly, simply watching your inhale and exhale. I recommend staying for at least 10 to 15 breaths. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you and namaste.